friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be baking turkey legs in the oven. For this very easy recipe, all you need are turkey legs and seasonings. I'm just going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. First, let's preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now while the oven is preheating, let's season the turkey legs. So just sprinkle the seasonings. The salt, pepper, garlic powder. And you can rub in the seasonings. And now flip them over and season the other side. And once you've seasoned the turkey legs, let's put them on a baking sheet. And now let's put it in a preheated oven. So let's take it and put it in the oven. So it's preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the timer for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now when there's 30 minutes left of the baking time, let's take out the turkey legs and I'm going to turn them over. So just flip them over. And put them back in the oven and let them finish cooking. Now the turkey legs are done baking, so let's take a look. They look amazing, so nicely browned. Perfect. Look how good they look. So I recommend checking the internal temperature just to make sure they're cooked through. So should be at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep, so they're fully cooked. They look so good, and it was so easy to bake them in the oven. Perfect. Look at these turkey legs. So nicely browned with crispy skin. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So I'm just going to cut it so you can see the inside. See, they're fully cooked. Again, they're cut so easily. This is delicious. This turkey meat is so tender. You're going to love baking turkey legs in the oven. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!